friends, I'm Maya. Welcome to the series where you learn AI. Imagine you have a really clever friend. This friend has read every book in every library in the world. They have watched millions of videos, read billions of sentences, and they never ever forget anything. That friend, that's kind of what artificial intelligence or AI is. AI. Only two letters, but they're hiding a huge word. Ready? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Whoa, that sounds like a magic spell from a wizard book, doesn't it? But don't worry, it's not scary at all. Let me crack it open. The word artificial just means made by people, and intelligence means being able to learn things, solve problems, and figure stuff out, like you. Put them together, and AI is just a smart helper that people build. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now be my best AI friend, Robo. Now here's the silly part. Robo has no arms to give you a hug. Robo has no heart that goes bumpity bump. Robo never eats pizza, not even on Sundays. And get this, Robo doesn't even carry a lunchbox to school. But Robo is still super smart. So how does Robo get smart with no brain like ours? AI learned everything it knows by reading and studying a huge mountain of text. Think of every book, website, and story ever written, all piled up higher than the clouds. It read all of that. That's how it got smart. Here's something really cool. AI doesn't just memorize things like a parrot. It learns patterns. It notices that after the dog wagged its, the word tail almost always comes next. Or that a joke is usually funny when it has a surprise at the end. It learns the shape of how things work. So when you ask AI a question, it doesn't go look up the answer in a book. It thinks really fast about everything it's ever learned and tries to give you the best answer it can. The AI doesn't sleep, eat lunch, or need a bathroom break. It can answer thousands of questions at the same time from kids all around the world all at once. Pretty wild, right? And guess what? AI is everywhere around you. It's driving cars all by itself. It's helping doctors make sick people feel better. It's choosing your favorite songs. And it's hiding inside your video games. AI snuck into your whole world and you didn't even notice? But here's the biggest secret of all. Showing Robo a million cat pictures, that was one of the most important things scientists ever did. It actually changed the whole world. And next time, I'll tell you why. See you soon, friends. Bye.